Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yep. Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself.
What? Huh?
You're crazy. Do not fool Rolf.
Get it on!
Rolf is not amused, you... How do you say?
What? And ruin all this frustration? And you kiss your mother with that mouth?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. You're crazy.
I ain't touching that.
Why would Kevin leave his hat on a paved footpath? A gift from the gods. Obstinate coin from where I don't know. Prepare yourself for an unmerciless beating, Cry Rolf, shoot! Everybody now! Perhaps a two-shoe beating is more your vocation.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something? Huh?
All that hard work.
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me!
Holy mackerel!
Robot bounty hunter.
Do not fool Rolf! The time of reckoning has come, Ning. You must be punished. Do you live in a cave?
Loser.
Rolf respects your vow to uphold the sticky notes of elders, yet... You must be punished. Is this a test? Tell me, lost little red cent. Have you ever experienced the almighty three-shoe beating? Take me!
Hero! Incoming! 我々からでもすぐのそのものは